Hello students, this is class 8 Geography chapter 1 Resources. In this lesson, we'll see what is resource, how resources are classified, how resources can be conserved. So, what are resources? Anything that can be used to satisfy human needs is a resource. So, what are the things that satisfy human needs? Anything that are used in our every day-to-day life like water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetables, textbooks, all things for our every day to day we use, things are used as resources. As I said you before, water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetables, textbooks, all things have something in common. What are they? Everything are used by us. So they are being utilized. And these utilities gives its a value. All resources have some value. So what is value? Value means worth of a resource. Some resources has economic value and some do not. For example, metals, an object, everything we use has a economic value. In other terms, beautiful landscape, refreshing air, everything cannot be sold or cannot be bought. Those things does not have economic value, but they are very important to satisfy human needs in some conditions. Okay, some are economically valuable and some are not. For example, your ancestor's house or your grandmother's house are now may not be valued, but in case of tomorrow when they are being sold or when they are being purchased via a medical farm or a factory, whatever it is, it becomes highly economically valuable. The thing which makes a resource value is time and technology. Two things are important factors that can change substance into resource. Okay, okay. So we'll see what are the types of resources and how they are classified. Resources are classified into natural and human-made. Two types. Natural resources. So the term natural means which is not made by humans. Natural resources can be classified into two categories, renewable and non-renewable. What are renewable? Renewable means anything that can be brought back or which is renovated or not replenished quickly, which is not getting exhausted. When we use a resource in a limited way, we can renovate the resource. For example, water, air, sunlight, etc. And what are non-renewable resources? Resources which cannot be brought back are non-renewable resources. Example, coal, petroleum, natural gas are non-renewable resources. Next category, human-made resource. The term itself explains it. Human-made resources are resources that are made by humans. Example, machineries, road, buildings, vehicles are all comes under this human made resources. Technology is also a human made resource. Human resources, a very good term. Human resources are highly valuable in today's life. How human becomes a resource? Human, when they are skilled, when they are educated, they become a resource. When people are educated and when they are well versed with technological implementations, they become highly a valuable resource. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource, improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources known as human resource development. Next, how resources can be conserved. What is resource conservation? Using resource carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Balancing the needs to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable resource. So using the resource carefully without wasting it, using the resource in a limited way, or using the resource of what we need, how we need, and how much we need, or a conservation of resource. When we balance the utilization of a resource and we are giving the resource to the next generation, it is known as sustainable resource. Hope children everyone understood. Thank you for watching. Our